Get rid of manifesting fears, negative thoughts, and blocks, traumas, whatever you want, in 3 seconds. Well, actually, max 1 second. And you're gonna love it. This is James Bond style manifesting. I love it. It works. It works for me. It works for my clients. You all know I'm into fast manifesting. I want results. I want results for you. And you do this, the world's your oyster. Let's not hang about and get right to it. So, I have negative thoughts, Yana, and I don't know how to deal with them. Yeah. I hear it all day long, and there's such an easy solution to this. Such an easy solution to this. And this is what I invented for you because that matches my style and I get results with it. By the way, for those of you who want to be millionaires and who want to get through your income ceiling, there's a webinar link, free webinar in the description of the video. Let's get back to our theme today. So, oh my God, bill came and I don't know how to pay for it. Oh my God, I'm too fat. Oh my God, nothing's working out for me. Blah, 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 blah. You know what? Each and every one of you has a personal sniper from now, and you can just shoot it, get rid of it, and say goodbye. I'm done with you. Do that again, and I'll introduce you to my personal sniper. That's it. That's all you ever need to do. Get rid of it. Get rid of it now because this stuff is embarrassing. You've had enough of it. Just know that you can shoot it. It's gone. It's over. Nothing's in your way. You can manifest at the speed of light. And why wouldn't you? Because it's all available to you. All results are instant and they're all available to you. But you need to be speedy. You hang about and no. Manifesting is speedy. Manifesting is for speedy people. Become Speedy Gonzalez and get shit done. That's all. That's all there's to it. Do you understand? Manifesting is easy. Manifesting takes 1 second, actually under billions of a second, if I should be precise. I can understand you can comprehend what billions of a second is, but it does exist. It takes that long to manifest. It takes that long to get rid of your negative thoughts, negative beliefs, traumas, and everything else. It's just one decision. Bye-bye. Nope, don't want you. Fuck off. That's all there is to it. Why are you spending days and 5 hours in every day pretending to manifest when life is so easy? Just do this. That's the end of story. I don't know what else to tell you. Every single thing in manifesting takes a second. That's all, folks. It couldn't be easier. You know what to do. You know what to do. Just say no, goodbye, F off, hasta la vista, baby. I can say this in probably 10 or 15 languages. Just goodbye. I'm not tolerating you. I'm not putting up with this shit. I've had enough of it. I have lots of other things to worry about, like children and school and mother-in-law. I don't need this bullshit. So just get out. That's called a door or my personal sniper. Bye-bye. Done. How easy is that? So if you like my very fast manifestation techniques, which actually work, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. I will be putting a lot of content in. You need to know what to do, what to manifest. It's all very fast with me because I have the fastest manifesting system made of 2 words online. Go and study it. It's that easy. You can do it. I've done it. My clients do it. Go and have a look at what my clients manifest. And I have so many more testimonials to come, you will not believe. So I'll see you in the next video and have fun, people. Ciao for now.